Good afternoon, students. Today I will teach section C. Okay. Then after that I will teach section B. Now I will teaching now section C. Okay. Only one chapter for half yearly exam. No. Yes. And a very easy chapter is there, and all of no differentiation, all of no integration also there. Okay. So this is the part of a application of derivatives. Okay. Part of a calculus. One part with the help of differentiation, with the help of integration, we can solve this part also. Okay, the commercial maths, only science students also can do, no problem is there, and commerce students also do, no problem is there. Okay, anyone can do, anyone portion is there. You have to attempt either section B or section C, and section B is there, equation of straight line in 3D space. Okay, I will discuss later. Now today I will teach now very easy chapter, that is commercial maths application, application of calculus in commerce and economics. Here is break even points is there. Now few terms are there, keep in mind. Then I will discuss one by one, and I will give the study material also. I will discuss now cost functions, right? CX, right? First, CX means cost function. Here cost function, right down. CX is the cost function. Now what the cost function is there? Okay, cost function means variable cost is there, and that is fixed cost is there. Suppose if we make one, suppose business. Okay, one extra room is there. No, suppose this is if we have own room, there is no matter. Suppose you take any rent house also, you can take for business purpose. So this is the fixed. So this is fixed rent is there. So monthly, suppose you give 5,000 or 6,000. This is always fixed. Suppose 1 year, 2 year, you have to fixed. And variable function is means there. So cost of item is you can vary when you have to start business, any or when start business, we or any company or businessman. The variable cost means, so labor charge also there, study various materials also there. Okay, various type of materials is also there. Okay, so these are known as variable cost. Variable cost. So cost function is that denoted by the symbol CX, and Vx, right, variable function. Okay, this is variable function. Variable function. Okay, suppose cost of the labors, various type of labors are there. Okay, no. Suppose one give you 5,000, one give 6,000, one gives 9,000, according to this, like that. Salary, variable cost. This is Vx, and Fx means here fixed cost. Fixed cost. Okay, fixed cost. So Cx you can write here Cx Vx plus f of x. Keep in mind, Cx equal to Vx plus f of x. Okay, Cx equal to Vx plus f of x. Okay, so now write ACX. AC means, right, average cost. Average cost. Yes, average cost, right? Okay, suppose Cx means you can write here, that is Cx by x. So keep in mind, ACX means, AC means here average cost. So this will be Cx by x. Cx by x. Okay, average cost. And ABC, right? ABC, that is average variable cost. Average variable cost. Okay, so it will be Vx by x. Okay, ABC, average variable cost. So Vx by x. So Cx cost function, Vx variable function. Okay, Fx fixed cost. This is variable function, variable cost. Okay, and ACX, that is AC means average variable, average cost. Average cost equal to Cx by x. Cx by x. And ABC, right, average variable cost, Vx by x, right, Vx by x. Okay, Okay. 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 Now right. Um, Rx, right? Rx means, right, revenue function. Okay, revenue function. Rx revenue function means, suppose you know cost function, and that means here selling price. Suppose whatever the objects or goods we have to sell, uh, this is sales goods. Okay, suppose x into px, right? So here Rx, right, x into small px, here, right, px here demand function, demand function. Okay, Rx means x into px. Suppose our demand is suppose 51 kg or 50 kg, 60 kg, like that. Okay, suppose one company is required, that is suppose produced uh, 1 ton, that is 1 ton or 10 quintal goods. Okay, and they will sell suppose 5 quintals sales. Okay, per quintal suppose it is x, then total quintal will be x into px, is like the demand function is there. Okay, so demand function, you right here, demand function means here, right, x into px. X means per item, per goods item cost. Okay, that is px, right, demand function. Okay, so Rx, that is revenue function, will be x into px. Revenue function, keep in mind, x into px. Okay, Rx equal to x into px. Rx, that is revenue function. Okay, okay, and px, small px, right, profit function. Profit function means here Rx into Rx minus Cx. Whatever that is, Rx means selling price, keep going. Selling price minus cost price is like that. So here Rx minus revenue function minus cost function, it will be profit function. Capital P, keep in mind. Small p is here demand function. Small p is here demand function. Okay, and capital P is there profit function. If no loss, no gain, okay, company is neither no loss, no gain, then we can say this will break even point. Neither loss nor gain. So if px will be 0, then px will be 0 implies Rx equal to Cx. Rx equal to Cx. So neither loss nor gain. That point, so we will call break even point. So right, that case break even point. Okay, break even point. I'll discuss some. Okay, and so then Rx should be here revenue function. Rx means x into px. Px, small p is there, demand function. So px here Rx minus Cx, that is profit function, equal to Rx minus Cx. And if px will be 0, then Rx equal to Cx. From there we can solve here, that will get the value of x. So this will be break even point. This value will be break even point. Okay, now and here profit function for marginal revenue here, this one, when profit function is maximized or minimized, and it is not your syllabus. Okay, this is not your syllabus. Okay, 1 minute, I'm discussing. Wait, fan is not working. See, another thing is there, I write here. So right, MCX, right, that is right, marginal cost, right, marginal cost function. So right, MC, that is marginal cost, means ddx of cx, right? ddx of cx, ddx of cx is called marginal cost. Okay, ddx, all of you know what ddx. Okay, mc, that is ddx of cx, and mr, marginal revenue. So ddx will be, this will be ddx of rx, mr equal to ddx of rx. Okay, mr equal to ddx of rx, marginal revenue. Okay, keep in mind only these things are there in your syllabus. What are we discussing now? Then what are we discussing first? Cost function, variable cost, fixed cost, marginal revenue, demand function, that is x into px, marginal revenue, and revenue function x into px, profit function rx minus cx, marginal cost dc dx, and marginal revenue mr. Only these things in your syllabus. Okay, so very easy chapter. 15 marks, everybody will get 15 marks here, no problem in there. Section C. Okay, I am giving the sum. See, suppose right here cx is given 2x square minus 4x plus 5. Okay, find acx, mcx at, suppose at x equal to, go x equal to suppose 10. Okay, see here cx is given, so write acx, that is average cost. acx means average cost, so write 2x square minus x by 5 by x, that is cx by x, so write 2x minus 4 plus 5 by x. Okay, now acx at x equal to 10, the value will be 2 into 10 minus 4 plus 5 by 10. So here 20 minus 4 minus 1 by 2, that is 16.5. Okay, now mcx. Okay, see, so average cost, all of you understood, acx by x. Okay, now see mcx. Okay, mc means ddx of cx, so right, this is 4x minus 4 ddx 2x square, so it will be, okay, 4x minus 4, that is 2x, 4x minus 4 mc, so right, mc at here x equal to 10. So 4 into 10 minus 4, 40 minus 4 will be 36. This will be 36. Okay, this will be 36. Okay, now next one. So very easy sum. Those who know the differentiation should be very easy. Okay, this will be very easy to you. Next one, similar also, right? Suppose cx is given, right here, cx, right, 1 by 10, 1 minute, wait, go. cx, right, 1 by 10 x cube minus 5x square plus 10x plus 5. Find out suppose average cost. So similar write AC equal to write Cx by x. So here 1 by 10x cube minus 5x square plus 10x 5 by x. So write 1 by 10 x square, okay, minus 5x plus 10 plus 5 by x. And suppose you find out Vx, find out. So Vx is there, right? 1 by 10 x cube minus 5x square plus 10x. If we write f of x, only 5 constant function is there. And now AVX, ABC average variable cost, okay? Average ABC, average variable cost. So variable cost is there now. So variable by x, that is 1 by 10x square minus 5x plus 10 is there. Okay? 1 by 10x square minus 5x plus 10. Okay? So very easy sum is there. Okay? Very easy is there. Next one. Next one. Suppose Cx equal to 2x square plus x plus 10. This is given. Okay. So here and find MC. So MC equal to write dc dx. So write this means 4x. Okay, plus 1. Suppose point is given, suppose MC at x equal to suppose 5. So 5, 4 into 5 plus 1, that is 21. Okay, 21. Next one, suppose profit function is given. Okay, next one, suppose profit function is given. See, profit function. Small p here, so small p is given here. Profit function 300 minus 4x. Okay, and cost function Cx. Cx is given. Cx is 500 plus 80x. Sorry, 28x. Find here profit function Px, capital P. Px find out. Revenue function. Okay, so revenue function all we know Rx, x into small px. So we can add x into 300 minus 4x no. So 300x minus 4x square. Okay. Now suppose marginal revenue. So MR DDS of Rx, that is 300 minus 8x. Okay, so profit function Px Rx minus Cx, Rx minus Cx. So Rx is right 300x minus 4x square, 300x minus 4x square. Okay, minus Cx, you know this part is given, so minus 500 minus 28x. So this part will be, okay, minus 4x square minus 28x minus 200. Okay, minus 200. Now, so break even values. So write Px will be 0, no loss. Rx by Rx equal to Cx. So Px equal to 0 implies, right, minus 4x square minus 20x minus 200, okay, equal to 0. So right. So right, minus 4x square minus 20x minus 200 equal to 0, to x square plus 7x here plus equal to 0 is there. Okay, now here solving x will minus b plus minus b square like that equal to, you will get the result. Okay, so value of x, find out x equal to minus 7 plus minus b square 49 minus 4 into 4ac by 2. So imaginary is there. So here not possible. Okay, the value is not possible. We have only find a value of px, profit function is there. Okay. Okay, this is the process. This is the process. Okay. Now so suppose cost function cx, right? Suppose ax square bx plus c find. Okay, find similarly find dc dx, that is mc, that is ddx of cx, no, the twice ax plus b. Here variable cost of rx revenue function is given, and that's some px also there, then you will get the revenue function. So here acx, that is average cost. Okay, average cost is there, ax square plus bx plus c by x, that is ax plus b plus c by x. So vx is right here, ax square plus bx. So avx, right, average variable cost ax plus b. Okay, it's like that. Okay, just copy first, all of you copy first. Next one. Suppose here cx equal to, right, 1/3 x cube plus x square minus 15x plus 3. Find the average cost, marginal cost. Okay, so right, average cost is cx, right, cx by x. So right, 1/3 x cube plus x square minus 15x plus 3 by x. So 1/3 x square plus x minus 15 plus 3 by x. Okay, now mc, right, ddx of cx, right, that is ddx of this part 1/3 x cube plus x square minus 15x plus 3. Simple ddx. So right, 3x square, 3 cancel, x square plus twice x minus 15. Okay, and cost function, that is the fixed cost is there. Okay, and now suppose it's given fixed cost, okay, on, and variable cost per unit, suppose x unit total cost will be there, then I can solve find out this cost function also. Okay, okay, no more today. Next again I will take the one class, and here important sum I will give for this chapter. Okay, I will give also, no problem is there. Okay, bye. No more today.